Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's a hot day today and we're here at the beach fishing for fish.
Fishing for fish.
Say hi, Dad.
I know. A lot of fish there now. Look.
There
See,
is?
that's good.
Yeah, I saw some fish jumping earlier.
And some mga fish.
I don't know, I just saw a fish jumping. So, hope you guys enjoy fishing with us. Okay guys, so I'm trying to rake for sand fleas because my dad said he found some fish over there far in the open sea, and we're trying to catch some, and I'm trying to catch some sand fleas for baits. So, and the rake is heavy, and this is what the rake looks like. It has those sharp things so that I think the sand fleas could get inside. Maddie! Dad! Look! I caught a baby fish. It's right here. Try it out. It's not coming out. If you see it. Oh! Sorry. Got a baby fishy. This one. Oh, this one. Right here. Baby fish. Dad! Dad! Come here! There's fish right here. I only got one. What's that? And so yeah, here's the baby fish. Ah! I got a baby fish, but I think I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna ask my dad. I'll see if I catch more later on. So, I'm still tired, guys, and I'm going to the water because it's really hot. So, and Daddy right there is fishing. Say hi, Dad. Say hi. What's our goal to get? What fish is our goal to get?
Pompano.
Pompano. Is it the right weather to catch one?
Yeah.
There's not as much sand fleas, but that's okay. Right?
Yeah.
Because we already caught some from last time. So, yeah, I'm gonna go swimming in the water. Because, yes. The rake?
Sunblock.
Huh?
Did you put
Yeah,
sunblock on?
I did. And the weather's so nice today. It's just really hot. And the water's so clear. Oh, yeah. So, yeah. What? Huh? Oh, and there's so much big waves. The big waves all the way over there, it's called a swell. That's what my friend taught me. Where?
Full of fish.
Where's the school of fish? Oh, I see it. There's a school of fish right there. You just can't see it because it's not clear in the water. So, yeah. And a couple minutes ago, I caught one baby mullet. It's small but very, very skinny. And also was that a pompano, Dad? The first one that I caught on the rake? Ah, I guess it's one. I don't know. They're babies, so I can't really tell what it is. Oops. So, yeah. Look at this big waves. Daddy is trying to lure in some fishy wishy. And he is using a popper for that. Sorry, Dad. And that's the popper he's using. And this one, I think this rod, he's not using a lure. For this rod, he's using baits. like the sandflies and shrimp. That's what we're gonna use for fishing today. So yeah. I cut that. Okay. Come on,
Alright.
Puppet. Come on.
Ethan is going to...
Ipara.
Come here, baby.
Okay.
There you go, baby. Come on, baby. Yeah. Nice. Come on. Come on. Come on, right here. Swim. Swim, anak. All over here. Snap.
Can't wait for bigger ones.
Come on, let's wait for the big waves.
Deep waves?
Yeah, there you go. Big one. Right here. Ooh.
One day I will get a surfboard. I hope. Okay, so okay guys, we just got back home and we caught 3 snappers. We hope you guys enjoyed watching this video.
Bye.
Dad's outside in the garage doing something, probably cleaning the stuff. So yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time.